Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable full screen in Google Meet. If you're in a Google Meet call and want to get rid of distractions and focus completely, switching it to a full screen is the way to go. It's actually pretty simple and easy. While you're in the meeting, move your mouse to bring up the bottom menu bar. Then click on the three vertical dots. That's the More Options button, usually in the bottom right corner. From the list that pops up, just click Full Screen. Your Google Meet window will instantly expand to fill the entire screen, hiding your tabs, taskbar, and everything else so you can stay fully focused on the meeting. To exit full screen, just press the Escape key on your keyboard and go back to the same menu and click Exit Full Screen. And that's it. Full screen mode in just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We will see each other in the next one.